That was the rainy day. I received a gift from my brother. That was a CD. If you were a 15 children and your passion is music, that will be really great. It was even better when it was a special CD from King of Pop. As you know, at that time, everybody in the world knew him, liked him, and liked this music. Eagerly, I played that CD and the first song sang. I'll never forget this introduce. Think about the generation has to say, oh, we want to make it a better world for our children and our children's children, so that they know it's a better world for them and think if they can make it a better place.